get a lot of calls from rental property owners with stories, so let me tell you about Jen. She owns a rental property in Encinitas and had what she thought was a reliable long-term tenant. Jen received a maintenance request and that the heater wasn't working, but it was summer and she figured it could wait, it could just wait. A few days later, she got a letter from the tenant's attorney claiming her property was, quote, uninhabitable. Jen didn't realize that under California law, heating is considered a required habitability item year-round. And because she didn't respond quicker, her tenant had grounds to withhold rent and potentially sue for damages. So here's what every landlord in California should know. Habitability laws are strict and tenant-friendly. There are some things that you have to maintain at all times. The heater, the plumbing, electrical, you need to exterminate. You have to make sure that the windows are good and all the doors and door locks work. The tenants do have rights. If habitability is breached, they may legally withhold rent, then make repairs on their own and deduct costs, or even try to leverage this to break the lease early. You might also have to pay to relocate the tenant. Now, the tenant should have loss of use coverage on their renter's insurance, so you really shouldn't have to pay to relocate them. So that's another reason that we don't let tenants move in without showing proof of renter's insurance. At Raintree Property Management, we handle these things proactively. We do routine maintenance reviews, same day vendor dispatch, and we have clear documentation to protect our owners. So don't get caught off guard by a maintenance issue. If your property is located in Carlsbad, Encinitas, Oceanside, San Marcos, Vista, or anywhere in North County, San Diego, where we manage properties, and you want to remove these headaches, a good way to start is click the link below to request a free rental analysis and see how we can keep your property in full compliance and your tenants happy. Thanks.